Medieval Easy Art History. We return to medieval times. Imagine a world of magnificent castles, brave knights, wise kings and queens, beautiful maidens, fierce dragons, and mythical creatures. A place of great kingdoms and bold adventures. Mythical creatures found in medieval art. These include the griffin, the unicorn, and the phoenix. Unicorns. In medieval art, unicorns are mythical creatures that look like white horses with one twisty horn on their heads. Unicorns are elegant, mysterious, and magical. They are often linked to purity, grace, and special healing abilities. Unicorns appear in tapestries, manuscripts, and bestiaries. They can also be found in old pictures and stories where they represent nature's heavenly and wild parts. In these artworks, unicorns are tricky to catch. They stand for seeking truth and things that are really hard to get, which makes them an enchanting subject in medieval art. Unicorn inspiration. Griffins. In medieval art, griffins were shown as majestic creatures with the body of a lion and the head and the wings of an eagle. They were displayed in colorful tapestries, manuscripts, and carvings, symbolizing power, strength, and guardianship. People believed that griffins were protectors of treasures and valuable possessions. They were seen as noble and wise creatures, often associated with royalty and nobility. Griffins were a popular subject in medieval art, with their majestic presence and mythical qualities. Griffin inspiration. Phoenix. In medieval times, people believed in a magical bird called a phoenix. It had beautiful, colorful feathers, and it could be reborn from its own ashes. The phoenix was a symbol of new beginnings and staying strong. It was a popular creature in old stories and art because of its amazing healing ability to restore itself and be reborn after its own death. Phoenix inspiration. This is Bold Whimsy. Please